Hi there! In this screencast, I'll show you some key features of Workshop Butler and give you a grasp on how it works. When you log into the system, the first screen you see is a dashboard. The dashboard gives you an instant overview of what is happening. It provides quick links to most relevant places, like upcoming workshops or latest evaluations. You can check all pending evaluations right here on the dashboard. I have an evaluation waiting for me. Let me see. Very knowledgeable and competent facilitator. Aha, great. I approve the assessment as a stamp to visit an event dashboard. The purpose of event dashboard is to give you a relevant info about an event. You see if any attendee needs your attention, how many evaluations were provided, and what current event rating is. From the dashboard, you can duplicate an event, edit it, configure notifications before and after the event. For each event, Workshop Butler creates a built-in page you use to promote and accept registrations. The page address is unique, known only to you and not accessible to any search engine. Until you share this link on social media or via email, the page stays private. You can select among 5 themes for an event page. The theme is applied immediately. It's also unique for each page. As a result, different events can have different themes. After registering for a workshop, your attendees get a welcome email. The email has a very simple format and from field contains your email address. This approach makes emails more personal. Workshop Butler sends a default welcome email if you don't change it. You can also configure the system to send event reminders 2 days before the event and thank you notifications after the workshop. To get detailed info on each participant, you should open a list of event attendees. Workshop Butler allows you to keep track of payment statuses, so you don't forget to send an invoice. From here, you can manually add new attendees in case they are registered through other website or go to a workshop without registration at all. For example, when you run an in-company training event. After you add an event, Workshop Butler creates a page for sharing on social media. It is one way of promoting your workshops and collecting registrations, similar to Eventbrite. However, a more powerful way exists. By following several simple steps, you can add an event calendar to your website. This calendar updates data in real time. When you add a new workshop or cancel an existing one, your site gets the changes immediately. Of course, the calendar itself wouldn't be fascinating if it wasn't possible to accept registrations. By clicking on Register button, a visitor opens a full event page with a registration form. As you can see, the integration is white labeled. Similar to built-in event pages, you have a selection of 5 themes for a website integration. In case none of them suits you, we provide a customized website integration for our Pro Plan customers for free. Let's take a look at how easy a configuration of new integration is. You start by selecting a theme, and then you go to a calendar and event page layouts. You decide what information is visible to visitors. After configuring the look, it's time to choose what events you want to show. Workshop Butler allows you to add multiple event calendars on different website pages, each of them containing different events. Here, I want to promote all my future public events and use it as my main event calendar. However, I can show my past events or events from a particular category on other pages of my website. Now, I need to add a created calendar to my website. Workshop Butler provides detailed instructions on how to do it. They are incredibly easy to follow, especially if you have a WordPress website. Besides full-featured event calendar, there is also a sidebar widget to promote your events on a blog or any other place. In your everyday work, You use many tools to achieve best results in managing workshops. Workshop Butler strives to simplify your life, but doesn't want to be a replacement for everything. We see Workshop Butler as a conductor helping the best players to stay in sync and deliver a terrific performance. There is out of the box support for Google Analytics, MailChimp, and Slack. Hundreds of other services could be integrated via Zapier. I hope you have enjoyed this short overview of Workshop Butler. Join today and start saving time on organizational stuff right away.